Hello, my name is Jesus Miguel Gutierrez Escobar from the group TS June 40. And this is my project in first partial. My topic is air conditioning of the ATA 21 in the aircraft. Well, uh, the aircraft is equipped with two packs that are placed under the aircraft and near the wing and in front of the landing gear. These packs provide dry air for cabin air condition, ventilation, and pressurization. Well, flow and in aircraft have the different parts. For example, the valves, the flow control valve. The main function is regulate the airflow that enter the pack, where we have the FCV flow control valve that also works and a shut off valve for the packs. The air is controlled by ACSC, air conditioning system controllers. This data calculate the flow and place the FCV flow control valve in the proper position, regulating the air inlet flow to the pack. Other part in the air conditioning system is the mixer unit, the air that leaves the pack after being regulated and controlled goes to a mixing unit. This unit mix the air in the packs and with cabin air. And the aircraft, in the air distribution aircraft, have the pressurization control. The pressurized areas in Airbus 320 are the technical crew cabin, the part of the avionics components, and the passenger's cabin, and another is the cargo compartments. Well, the final part is the panels, the instrument system. In the instrument system, the cabin crew is capable for monitoring the temperatures of the crew cabin and from and read passengers cabin errors. Well, this is my project in English. Thank you.